Joo, anteeksi, me ei haluta kuvaa. Eikö ihan oikein?
Alright, it's after 1 in the morning. Flight was delayed, but we made it to Helsinki. Now we gotta get to the hotel. We'll be there soon. Alright, it's 2:15 in the morning, and we finally made it to our hotel room after a half-hour train ride, a 20 euro cab ride, which it was a little pricey, but whatever.
Yeah, it was worth it.
It's time for bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. We're here in Helsinki, Finland, and we used to live here, and we came back to do something we've never done before. We came here as tourists. We've never been here as a tourist, so this is really cool. We're staying downtown. We've never stayed in a hotel here, you know? So this is really cool. So we're out exploring, checking out the Christmas markets, because this is the best time to be in Finland, let's be honest. So here we are at the cathedral, where the Christmas markets used to be. I guess they moved them all down by the water. Surprised me, didn't know that. But so we're gonna go check that out and just go exploring around. Do a few things, eat a few things that we miss here, you know? So it'll be fun. Let's go. Gotta kind of shuffle while you're walking. If you try to walk normally, you just basically fall. Unfortunately, it's starting to rain a little bit. I was hoping to get some snow like up north, but
maybe later.
Maybe later.
It's colder.
Yeah, just a little drizzle right now.
Se on vähän rykkyinen se alusta ja myöskin tämä talvikeväinen. Ja sitten ne yhdistetään tällaisella test-lenkillä, josta saattaa periaatteessa käydä. Ja sitten siinä keskellä on...
We're here at the blacksmith shop where we bought a bottle opener and a coffee scoop. It's really cool. They make everything by hand right here and sell at the Christmas market. We've looked at their store like every year we've come here and we've never really bought anything.
Yeah, I can't remember.
It was time. Okay, now we're gonna go find some Carillion pies from the sweet old ladies that make them here every year.
Mistäs kautta näitä tehdään? Joo, kiitos.
Hyvä, kiitos.
Joo.
I've never seen these before.
Oh yeah. What are these ones? What are they? What
she
is
doesn't
it?
speak English.
Oh, okay.
Never mind. No, it's
Reindeer rice.
Oh,
reindeer.
can we do one? One of that? Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Ei haittaa, mulla on vaan pussitettu karkki. Joo.
Kiitos. No. Thank you. Kiitos.
All right, we got them. And we got a reindeer one. That's new. That place is so popular because they're so good. They do it a little different than they used to. Before they had them like dripping in butter. What's that?
You can't see yourself anymore.
I know, it's still on though. Yeah, maybe people complain about the butter, I don't know. But normally, traditionally, you take like a egg butter and you put it on top of them.
You wanna see it?
Here we go. So they make them out of potatoes, was it rice? And there's a third one, barley.
We don't do the barley.
That one's not as good, but the rice and the potato ones are really good.
That one?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yum. Man, we gotta learn how to make these so we can have them anytime we want.
Yeah.
Joo, valmentaa. Anteeksi, me ei haluta kuulua. Ei kun ihan oikein.
All right, we got some roasted chestnuts here. We've never tried them. We've always wanted to, and these look legit, so we're definitely gonna
They're
enjoy
actually
it.
being roasted.
Yeah, we're watching the guy do it.
Yeah.
Oh, lost my wife. Oh, there she is. She's still watching the guy make the chestnuts. Were you mesmerized? I lost you.
I lost them. Stir the chestnuts.
Oh, it's so cool. All right, we got to figure out how to eat these things. We've never had these.
Yeah. I want to watch them again.
All right, here he goes. He's doing it again.
13. Ja, 2 glöggi. 2 glöggi, ja.
Cox gloogie. That means 2 gloogies, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured it out. It only took me over 3 years. All right, let's keep going. All right, first time eating roasted chestnuts. I don't know how this works. Oh, they're soft.
Yeah.
I never would have thought. There it is. I always hear about roasted chestnuts on an open fire, but I've never had them. All right, it's different than I thought.
Very good. Not crunchy.
No, not at all.
I like them.
Sorry, I'm eating the roasted chestnuts, but we just found pickled garlic.
I think so, yeah.
We've looked like for 2 years for this stuff. And it's right here.
Think so.
There you go.
Oh, thank
All
you.
handmade here in Finland. Even the garlics are grown here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, just like I remember. Oh, it's spicy and it's good.
Is that really spicy?
It's really good.
I want to ask what other flavors they have.
All right, so we got 2 jars of the garlic, habanero garlic. It's spicy, but it's so good. And now we're gonna get,
Cranberry sauce.
yeah, cranberry sauce too. It's really cool. Apparently that's the same lady we bought it from like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
We were talking to her. She's from Porvoo, where we originally bought it. Well, it's 2 in the afternoon and the lights are starting to come on here because it's getting dark. So we left the Christmas market and we're gonna do a little shopping. A few stores we want to hit while we're in town. One of them, Marimekko. When you're here, you gotta go to Marimekko, and it's really expensive, but Well, at least look, they don't charge for that. Ready?
Yeah, we need our masks on.
Oh, yeah. I gotta do the mask thing. Where's my muzzle? We're near Stockman's, the big department store here. And you'll see all the Christmas lights. They're not really flashing like it looks like. It's just the frequency's different on my camera. But looks cool. The Stockman Christmas windows are real popular. They decorate them different every year. It's always fun to come see what they do. Alright, we had to stop at Robert's Coffee to warm up a little bit and have a little treat.
So good.
It's a lot more crowded now than it was earlier. Holy cow.
Colder.
Yeah, and colder. We have to break the gloves out now. All right, we got our donuts and gloogie.
So good.
Yeah, I've eaten already half of mine. So bad. I'm not sure if it's coming out on camera, but that is all ice.
I don't know why we came this way.
Yeah, maybe this is a bad idea.
Yeah,
a lot of ice over here. Anyways, we're gonna get back to the hotel room for the night and close out day one here in Finland. Yeah, we're gonna warm up. It's kind of a little chilly. So it was fun. We had a good time. It's so good being back here in Finland. It's so cool to see all this stuff again. We'll see you tomorrow. We're going to a sauna and go see some old areas where we used to live. So it'll be a lot of fun. We'll see you then. Bye, good night.